What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Auto. My name is Max, and today I am going to take you around this demo car of ours, the BMW M3 G81. Touring, absolutely lovely car in an amazing spec, and we have two of our products installed on this car. The yellow daytime running lights, as you can see, and the EvolutionM Midpipe, meaning that you gain a lot of flow, you have a much better sound, because these cars sound pretty good stock, but you know, there is a lot to gain with a mod like this. Now, if you have your ECU unlocked already, you can just install the Midpipe, of course, because you don't have any error codes. But if you don't want to unlock your ECU and still want this Midpipe, you can buy a Live Pro module, which you can also buy in our store, and it basically deletes the error codes. It basically tells the car that everything is still in place while you have your Midpipe installed. So that means that you don't have any error codes on the dash, which is nice, of course. So it is hella cold. I'm freezing my balls off, so I'm going to do a quick walk around of this beautiful David Grau M3 Touring with, as I said, the yellow daytime running lights. We've got these in the shop as well. I will link the product. We have them for most modern BMWs, so from the F series onwards. And it's a very nice mod. We really like it. So David Grau carbon exterior pack, black wheels. And then we end up at the rear. Just such a lovely rear end, the M3 Touring. Love that. With the stock back box, as you can see, so that means that you keep the stock look. You also keep the stock valves, which usually are the best ones. And then this car has a Tartufo interior as well, which is super nice. So let's go for a drive. Whew. Oh, it's so cold. Okay, let's start her up. Listen to that. That sounds like a proper M3, right? Stock, it can be a little bit underwhelming for a lot of people, and I totally get that. So that's why this is such a nice solution, because we've got stock downpipes, just the center part is gone and replaced, which is super nice. So we have the button right there for the valves. That's valves closed. That's a big difference. So that is still very acceptable, I would say. And then if you go to one of the more aggressive settings, the exhaust valves are linked to that as well. And that means that you just have a lot more sound. So much better. It's so much louder. So it definitely livens up the car, because it is an M3, of course, and you want it to feel special. You want it to feel like this, basically. This is what they should have made from the factory, although, you know, it's mostly regulations that prevent them from doing stuff like this. There have to be a lot of silencers and filters in place that kind of limit the amount of sound that they can get from a car like this, unfortunately. That's nice. So what happens if we close the valves? Let you guys hear the difference. So still quite nice. I think this is the thing about an exhaust modification. Don't underestimate the power of silence. You still want it to feel like you can drive it on a regular basis, like not like everyone hates you that you encounter. And also, you know, if you're feeling not that exuberant on a Sunday, you know, if you have to praise the Lord, you don't want to be too loud, too obnoxious, then you use this mode. You still have an M3, but it's relatively quiet. Quite like that. That's a good sound. So the good thing about this exhaust is that the fake sound is, is less noticeable as well, because they do pump fake sound through the speakers, but because your real exhaust is louder, it's less annoying, I think. So if you would want to go even further, as I said, you can also do downpipes. We have 200 cell catalytic converter downpipes in our store. We also have catless downpipes if you want to go like absolutely nuts. Nice burbles. But that's the beautiful thing about this platform. The options are mega. You can't really do anything wrong because there are so many different versions available, different brands. We've got a couple different ones available in our store. This is a completely stock car. It just has that mid-pipe done, and it is such a big difference. The experience is just so much better. So if you want to upgrade your M3, I think this is a very, very nice addition, because you just want your car to feel a bit more alive than the stock version. It's not enough. It really isn't. And with this mid-pipe, it's like dipping your toe in the tuning world. You don't have to do anything to your ECU. It doesn't throw any error codes or anything like that. And still, the difference compared to stock, which is basically this, the difference is so big. It's day and night. So it's a super easy plug and play way to upgrade your M3. We've got it in stock. Check it out, link is in the description. Oh, lovely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.